Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel. I'm very happy to be here today. How are you, Emily?
I'm great, Daniel, and I'm super excited because today we're going to talk about how to stay motivated while learning English every day.
Motivation. I really need this. Sometimes I wake up, see my English books, and I just feel tired.
That's okay. Motivation can be tricky, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll have your own daily motivation plan.
Wow, a plan. That sounds perfect.
Before we start, a small reminder. If you like our tips, subscribe to English Learning Channel so you don't miss any of our daily English podcasts. Daniel, why do you think motivation is important?
Without motivation, I just stop. I don't practice. I forget words. I feel frustrated.
Exactly. Motivation is like fuel. Without it, even small English tasks feel heavy and boring.
That's true. But sometimes I feel motivated in the morning, and by the evening, I just want to watch TV instead of practicing English.
That's normal. Motivation changes during the day. The trick is to use small steps.
Small steps?
Yes, you don't need to learn 100 new words today. Just one word, one sentence, or 5 minutes of practice counts. Small steps every day create big results over time.
Oh, so even small practice counts?
Absolutely. And speaking of helping friends, if you know a friend who struggles to stay motivated, share this video with them. They'll thank you. Let's talk about habits. Daniel, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Coffee? And then I scroll my phone.
That's okay, but here's a fun idea. Set your phone language to English.
Oh, so every time I scroll, I see English words?
Exactly. Small exposure every day keeps your English active. And another tip, listen to English for just 5 minutes while drinking coffee or tea.
5 minutes? That's easy. I can do that.
Yes, and even 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Your brain loves habits, not bursts.
Ah, that's smart. By the way, if you like learning simple tips like this, subscribe to English Learning Channel. We make these tips easy for everyone.
Another way to stay motivated is to set small goals.
Like what?
For example, today I will learn 3 new words. Or, today I will listen to 1 English song. Or, today I will speak English for 5 minutes.
That sounds doable. I can finish these goals every day.
Exactly. And when you complete these small goals, you feel proud. That feeling keeps motivation high.
Yes, I like winning. Every small win is a step forward.
And here's a thought. If you know someone learning English, share these small tips. Learning together makes it even more fun. Another important tip, make learning English fun.
Fun? How?
You can watch English movies or cartoons with subtitles, listen to English songs, play simple English games, or read short stories.
Ooh, I like songs, but I don't understand all the words.
That's fine. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just enjoy the process. If you understand 1 word today, that's already a victory.
A victory. I like that.
Learning English is like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top. You take small steps every day.
I like that idea. And by the way, if this helps you, share this episode with a friend. Motivation is easier when you help someone else too.
Daniel, do you know another way to stay motivated?
Tell me.
Stay accountable. Share your English progress with a friend or write in the comments 1 thing you practiced today.
Oh, like now, Emily?
Yes, everyone listening, we want you to write 1 small thing you did today for English in the comments.
That's smart. Sharing makes you feel proud and keeps you motivated.
Let's do a role play. Imagine it's Monday morning and you want to practice English.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm Emily. I'm your friend. Start.
Hello, Emily. I am Daniel. I want to learn English every day.
Great. What will you do today to practice?
I will listen to one English song and learn 3 new words.
Excellent. And then?
I will write them in my notebook and say them out loud 3 times.
Perfect. That's small steps, but consistent.
And friends, if you like role plays like this, subscribe to English Learning Channel. We make every episode interactive and fun.
Here are a few more tips. Celebrate small wins. Each word learned is a win. Rest is okay. If you feel tired, take a short break. Don't quit. Compare only with yourself. Are you better than yesterday? Use English in daily life, phone, social media, labels, or short chats.
I like that. I'll compare only with myself. Otherwise, I feel sad.
Exactly. Be kind to yourself. And if you know someone learning English, share this episode. Learning together is motivating.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not learning fast enough.
That's normal. Learning English is a journey. Slow progress is still progress.
But what about mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning. Each mistake is like a bump in the road. Go over it and keep moving forward.
I like that image. A bump, not a stop.
Exactly. And friends, if you like this style of helpful tips, subscribe to English Learning Channel so you don't miss our daily podcasts. Everyone listening, remember, you are doing amazing just by trying. Be proud of every small step.
Yes, even I feel more motivated just talking with you, Emily.
That's the power of encouragement. Listen to English podcasts, watch videos, and keep moving forward every day.
And small wins every day make a huge difference.
Exactly. Let's recap today's tips. Start small. 5 minutes a day is better than 3 hours once a week. Set achievable daily goals. Make English fun. Songs, movies, games. Share your progress. Accountability helps motivation. Be kind to yourself. Mistakes are normal. Compare only with yourself, not others.
Perfect. And everyone listening, what is one small thing you would do today to practice English? Write it in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Learning Channel, and share it with a friend who wants to stay motivated learning English.
Keep learning, keep moving, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.